are possibly interviewing someone about we're definitely interviewing them, but we're interviewing them about possibly the largest piece of equipment I've seen here. We are looking at a giant underwater remote-controlled construction equipment, piece of equipment. And I'm here with Madeline Pearce, who's going to tell us a little bit about it. So what was the problem that this was designed to solve?
So this helps with underwater dredging.
What do we dredge for?
You're just removing material from the river.
Yeah, but I think there's something, it's a climate problem, helping with it.
So you can help restore ecosystems or help prepare for natural disasters.
Oh, okay. All right. So what we're looking at, it looks like it should be, actually, it looks like one of my grandson's little construction equipments, but this thing is massive. It's, like 30 feet long? And I see a pole sticking up out of it. What's the pole for?
So the pole is for GPS. It helps communicate with the teleremote controller.
Oh, okay, so we've got somebody with a little remote control, little joystick that's driving all of this, right? And so that must limit the depth you can get to with this.
Yeah, so this can be operated up to 7 meters underwater.
Oh, that's still pretty big. And if you're doing a river, that's probably, I guess there's big rivers we should talk about, but yeah. Now, this isn't the first one of these Komatsus made.
No, so there was a diesel mechanical version that has been made since the 70s, and it had a snorkel to allow for air to get to the engine.
So that limits it even more on depth, right?
Yeah. And eventually we want this to get to 50 meters.
Oh, wow. Now, how would you do that over what you're doing today?
They want to remove the GPS mast, so it'll be tethered with a buoy at the top above the water to help communicate with the controller.
Wow. One of the first questions Steve asked when we got in here was, how did they get this into CES? Because I'm guessing this weighs a couple of pounds, too. Do you have any idea how much it weighs?
It weighs 30,000 kilograms.
Oh, holy cow. This thing is really impressive. Well, I love the idea of this. This is all electric then, right?
Yes, completely electric.
Forgot to mention that. So it's every little girl's dream to be able to drive a piece of construction equipment underwater. I think this is really cool. Thank you for joining us.
All right, thank you.